friends, welcome to Rapid General Awareness. Today we are going to see the current affairs for 18th of May. Sorry, as from early morning I was little busy today, so I am uploading the video late. So let's begin. Which of the following IIT has developed a Z-scan method for Parkinson's disease? So this method has been developed by IIT Dhanbad. Now what is Parkinson's disease? It is a neurodegenerative disease. Now we need to know about the Parkinson's disease. We just have to remember that IIT Dhanbad has developed Z-scan method for Parkinson's disease. That's it. Goal initiative has been launched by which ministry? So this initiative has been launched by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Now what is goal? Goal stands for Going Online as Leaders. This is basically to digitally train 5,000 tribals youth in the country, and Ministry of Tribal Affairs has partnered with Facebook India for this initiative. Okay. Ministry of HRD has e-launched a series of how many books under the title Psychosocial Impact of Pandemic and Lockdown and How to Cope. So there are 7 books. Now Minister of HRD is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which state's Statehood Day was observed on 16th May? So Sikkim Statehood Day was observed, and Sikkim is 22nd state. Who is the author of the book Wuhan Diary, Dispatches from a Quarantine City? So this book has been authored by Fang Fang. Name the 7th landing craft utility Mark IV class ship which was inducted into Indian Navy at Port Blair. So it is Iron Landing Craft Utility L-57. Okay, and this is built by GRSE, that is Garden Rich Shipbuilders and Engineering Limited. Who has been appointed as the new managing director of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? So he is Zubair Iqbal. Which bank has sanctioned rupees 1500 crores for Punjab to ensure continuous credit flow to farmers through state cooperative bank amidst the COVID-19 pandemic? So this has been done by NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, which is headquartered in Mumbai and is chaired by Harsh Kumar Bhanwala. Okay, now the question can also be asked that how many rupees has been sanctioned? So the answer will be rupees 1500 crore, and for which state? It is for Punjab. Okay. CSIR collaborates with Intel India and which institute to develop solution and strategies to combat COVID-19? So it has been done with IIIT Hyderabad. Okay. Andhra Pradesh government forms 5-member panel headed by whom to probe Vizag gas leak? So it will be headed by Neerab Kumar. Now this Vizag gas probe, in this styrene gas has been leaked. Okay, so remember that styrene gas. Okay, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor is Biswa Bhushan Harichandan. Okay. Which state has been warned against the cyclone Amphan? So this cyclone is going to come in Odisha. Okay. Which portal has been launched by central government to monitor the movement of migrant workers? So the portal is National Migrant Information System. Which digital education initiative to be launched, which will be an earmarked TV channel from 1st to 12th for students? So the initiative is PM-eVidya. Which institute has developed a 3-layered antimicrobial composite material for low cost making mask? So it is ISC Bengaluru. According to World Health Organization's Global Nutrition Report 2020, how many countries to miss global nutrition target by 2025? So 88 countries are going to miss the global nutrition target. Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Friends, please like our video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel, and also follow us on our Instagram channel Rapid General Awareness. Thank you. Have a nice day.